Want to remove your phone number from your Gmail account quickly and safely? In this video, I'll show you how to remove phone number from Gmail. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. Once your profile menu appears, tap on Manage your Google account. You'll be taken to your account settings page. Next, from the top menu, select Personal Info. Scroll down a little until you find the Phone section and tap on it. Here, you'll see your phone number linked to your account. Tap on the number to open its details. On the screen, look for the delete icon, usually a trash bin, and tap on it. To continue, you may be asked to verify your identity. Just follow the instructions. After that, tap the delete icon again, and when the confirmation pop-up appears, select Remove Number. And that's it. Your phone number will be removed successfully. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.